Hey guys and gals, Sweet Motorhomes here, and I wanted to give you an update on the fridge install. We took a 6-hour tour, and it was not in the SS Minnow. It was in the old Beaver here. I gotta tell you, it was awesome. The refrigerator worked awesome. Retainers that keep the door shut worked awesome. For the freezer door, the retaining rods that we used here to keep things back and push back, kept the milk back, everything pushed back, and even in the roughest roads we didn't have a problem. So what I'm doing right now, because I'm Mr. Overkill, add another one here. Julio, tell everybody where all the tools are located.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción del video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio, Cesar, Chavez, Rodriguez, Jorge, Johnson, Thompson. And what I did was I glued this on yesterday. I like to let it set 24 hours. And I used this glue right here. It's the best. The black is the messiest, but it's the strongest. I glued it on. You don't have to tape it on or nothing. I leave the male part right in it. So when I go to glue it, I have the door shut where I want it. Push the male end up to the wood. And then all I do is press it on, hold it there for a second or two, let it set 24 hours, and that thing is on there. And it doesn't look bad. It's a motorhome. Doesn't look like it's out of the junkyard by any means, but I want to make sure that it never opens while I'm driving. Next thing you know, I'll probably have them all up and down there. I'm just kidding. So what I'm going to do now is, and for all of you that do your own work, pilot drill right there in each one of these holes. And what I'll do is get in front of it, and I'll take my punch, my little pick, put the hole right in the center of that on each one, pull it back, drill the hole, and then screw that piece on. And when I open the door, it'll be there. And I've already pulled it out of there. This is not coming off there. If you want it off, if it ever breaks, all you got to do is let us know, and I'll tell you exactly how to get it off there. You don't get these perfectly lined up, as you may already know, they are a bear. All right, I got it on. It was easy. Pre-drilled it, put the screws in it, with it closed. Watch. They both latch perfectly. And it takes quite a pull to try to get that open. I mean, it's not hard, but there's nothing that's going to open that refrigerator door while you're driving, even if your intergalactic kegger slides forward. And then I have this little Velcro strap that I put around the handles here. Goes right around there just to keep the freezer door from opening, which it didn't. So that's really all I had to share with you. The residential fridge, we're so happy with it. It's made our life so much easier. There's so much room inside. My wife loved it. It just worked great. Wasn't a lot of money, and it was fun to do. So with that, as we always say, do not be a schmuckle, and Sweet Motorhomes out.